Hi there, I decided to surprise you a little bit and do something different this time. So my pal gave me an interesting idea when I was looking for a new formula for my videos on YouTube. So he has a bowl full of notes, sentences mixed with random ideas for next artwork, and Darth lit a bulb above my head. So I wrote a list of movie heroes from 80s and I put them into a website called wheelofnames.com. Alright, so here is a drill. I drew 2 names and here comes my new challenge. Superpower beatdown, clash of the heroes, celebrity deathmatch, you name it. I'm open for any suggestion to title this series, so you can leave it in comment down below. So this time it will be Darth Vader from Star Wars against Jason Voorhees from Friday the 13th franchise. I had a few concepts to fit these 2 characters on one piece of art, and I choose to go forward with this bloodbath. Bloody red state like in the Rogue One, fallen stormtroopers who were trying to keep up with the guests from Crystal Lake and got themselves beaten to the ground, smoke, sparkles, and blood. Pretty rated R, don't you think? Place of action, Death Star. Jason has an armor from movie about his space adventures called Jason X, and to make everything harder for Sith Lord, I gave to this already indestructible son of a gun the dark saber and Beskar symbol on his chest, which makes him and his armor even tougher now. So, good luck Anakin, cause you're gonna need it. So, let's get to the artwork, shall we? So here you can see the technical details about this artwork and all images that I used. Now I'll explain briefly what I did in Photoshop. As you can see, I had to fill those gaps in background like ceiling, walls and floor. I've put some fallen stormtroopers and some are not from the movies, but the game, Jedi Fallen Order, as far as I remember. Cool game by the way. So here is the tip. Based on experience from legendary Steven Spielberg in movies like Jurassic Park from 90s, CGI does better job on the far distance, but for close-ups you should use practical effects. And it works for graphic art in Photoshop as well. I decided to put movie stormtroopers on the foreground and these from the game closer to the background. Actually, Bennett Productions done the same thing for his poster for Mandalorian, so this is the way. And then details like smoke, sparkles, blood and other damages to make it more like a landscape after a bigger fight. Lightsabers were added, I made everything black and white. After that I used the gradient map based on these 2 colors, as you can see on the screen. Many other adjustments like reflections on the floor, because that's how it was on the references from original trilogy. At the end I used the camera raw to improve basics and effects. Okay, so that's the whole process in a nutshell. If you wanna see step by step how I achieved the final result, then just still to the end of this video. Enjoy! that's it, a final piece of art. I had so much blast making this one. It's a pure joy creating fanfiction, and I hope you like my take on Vader versus Jason. Please leave me your feedback in comment section below and let me know who shall be a winner in this epic clash. Thank you very much for watching, I appreciate you, and if this material was helpful or inspiring for you, leave a like and subscribe the channel if you haven't done this already. Cheers and have a good night.